go. So to start Robot in 3 days, we just started with testing launching mechanisms. We made a handheld catapult launcher using springs, which worked effectively. It could launch pretty far, but I don't think it could do it from the far launch zone. And then a flywheel with a bare motor, 6,000 RPM across a track. This was able to shoot from both zones at high speed, pretty accurate. And then on top of this, we made an intake. We tested 1150 motors and a 6,000 RPM motor. They both worked. And then we also tested the Gecko wheels and boot wheels, and they both worked. There wasn't really much difference that we saw besides just 6,000 RPM not having a whole lot of torque for moving the balls once you have them in the robot. On top of that, we also made the Go Build a kit, which was able to work with some modification, was able to launch pretty effectively, but had severe limitations when it came to driving and injecting balls.
Alright, and for the programming side, we started experimenting with the Limelight camera, which we found was very good at detecting the April tags and color. For Meet 1, we plan to use it mostly for locking to April tags, which we experimented with. We found it being pretty reliable to align to April tags. We also experimented with the Go Build a camera a little bit. We tried using it to detect April tags, but we still need to figure out how to make it expand its range so we can see from farther distances. It also has built-in enums for the different artifact colors, which may be handy if you're trying to detect the artifacts with the Go Build a camera. We also explored pinpoint versus ODOS, and unfortunately our ODOS wasn't working particularly well, but we're planning to go with pinpoint because it seems very accurate, and you don't have to clean the ODOS before every match because a speck of dust got on it.
And that was RI3D.